Adding windows, doors, and openings to a floor plan. Those items obviously needs to be placed on a wall, any of the walls in a room. So there's two ways of doing this. First of all, select the wall with your cursor on which you want to place the door, window, or opening. You can either right click and select add a door, add a window, or add an opening, or even a block, which is a cupboard, or you can select it from the top there. Most people use it by right clicking. It's quick and easy. And there we add a window. You can add multiple windows, and it will just add them up onto the wall as you go along. Moving them into position is your option, but the most important thing is to make sure that we have the measurement of the window correctly for subtracting of paint surface. So by doing that, double click on that wall and the system will automatically open up in a 3D view. Clicking on the window, you can now change measurement of this window, and you can also move it around where you need this window to be. You can also copy and paste a window if you have several windows of the same size, and then just rearrange them in the position you require. Going back to bird's eye view is to click on the floor plan. And you will now see there's your 3 windows. Adding a door is also very easy. Right click, add a door, and again the system wouldn't know where the door should be, so you need to move it in the wall where you want it to be. We can also add an opening. There's our opening, and again that's something that you need to change the measurement. Double click on this wall. There's your opening. You can change the size, you can change the height as you require, and you can also, by right clicking on it, change the shape to an arch should you need to do so. If you look at this picture here on top, you can see there's a blue arrow showing that you're looking at that wall. If you want to look at that wall, just kindly click there on that wall, and the view at the bottom will change to that view, or on this wall or on that wall, depending on what wall you want to look at. Adding a cupboard is also very easy. Make sure that the room where you need the cupboard to be in is selected. Click on block, and the system will automatically give you a 1 square cube block in the middle of the room. You need to move it to where you need this cupboard to be. Double click on the wall, select the cupboard, and change the dimensions. So this is the depth, D depth. The normal depth of a cupboard is approximately 0.6. Let's make it ceiling height, and the width is 3.2, for example. Going back to the bird's eye view, will now show you the cupboard inside that corner.